What is up, everybody? It is day 3 of this vacation. We're in Vegas right now, and we'll be here until about 12, and then we'll start driving over to Hoover Dam. Our breakfast buffet is literally just called the buffet. Buffets are the shit. These are so much better buffets than the ones we have in Eugene. Leaving the hotel. We're going back in the hotel because we went out the wrong door. Okay, so we left the hotel again. The wind is pretty intense right now. How does that sound? Wait, there's a gust.
There's a gust?
There's a little gust there.
Is it a gust?
How's that? How does that sound on the mic? Now we're actually headed towards our car. Last time.
Just took their ass off their body and like dumped it out into the streets.
So now we're at the Hoover Dam in Arizona. Can't really see anything yet. There's so many f***ing people here. It's crazy.
Hold my glasses. Oh God. My feet almost just, my feet almost gave out. My feet like tingling.
Dad, just look at it. Dad, come on. Mom, get in the picture, get in the picture. Alex, get in the picture. Everybody get in the picture.
No.
Dad, get in there.
Just in case.
This is the video. Okay. Nobody's ever graffitied it, do you think? Has anybody ever graffitied it?
I doubt it.
Alright. So we gotta go back.
Get that new Odds charger.
Oh.
So we're already leaving the dam. It was pretty sick. It was a good time. We're walking all the way back up the stairs to our car. Look at this. It was a lot smaller than I thought it would be. Like the San Andreas Fault movie seemed like it was like way bigger. I'm out of breath. I need to work out. So we just made it to the hotel, the lodge. It's called Red Feather Lodge.
If you stay in this room, it's so cold.
It is.
This is the hotel room.